There he is, ladies and gentlemen. The infamous 45 Guy. They say he carries a 45 because John Browning didn't create a 46. They say he carries it because it is God's caliber. Because it helped win 2 world wars. And just because sometimes you need more bore. It is the round that invented the term stopping power. I see he has chosen the FN 545, the pinnacle platform for this cartridge, and perhaps the ultimate 45 striker-fired pistol. And it is the perfect suppressor host, because the loudest sound you hear when you suppress a 45 is the quarter-ton of impact downrange. So, why does he carry an FN 545 Tactical? Because he